she like the big guys, you know. You like? I can give you the steroid there.
Dude, I know it's hard to believe, but this is all natural.
I think that's the problem, petit cochon.
Go back to Ireland.
Ricky, you're an activities director. Go play some games with the passengers.
Just give me a minute and I'll be playing Hide the Sausage with Saul's girl. Yeah. No? Oh, God damn, that was a big needle.
Thanks.
I don't even know if I can walk.
You don't need to walk. Just flex into the mirror and get bigger as others struggle with silly weights.
Okay.
Well, hello, Ricky. Nice to see you working out with the passengers.
Steroids rock! Shit, yeah! Pump me up! Eat this!
Ooh, someone went and got themselves sexy.
Peep the gay meatheads, dog. They're in love.
My new muscles won't allow you to make fun! Oh, yeah!
Straight up, dog. What happened to you? You're all buff as hell.
Well, Jean-Guy here's been filling my ass with protein and testosterone. And now I'm gonna shit kick ya! Dude, balls in.
Le voici, mon ami. Donne-y la claque. Nice one, mon frère de derrière.
Oh! Careful! A little tender. A little tender.
I think I shot my drawers, dog.
Dude, it's just a game. You got, like, angry issues.
I'm fine! Ah!
What a big, strong man. You'd keep me nice and safe, wouldn't you?
Well, yeah. Tied up my basement. I mean, yes.